spot number 1. This is the waterfall. We gotta go to spot number 2. Still got a lot more biking left. Oh! Do y'all know if the runway at JMU, is that following like this way?
The what? You have to go like a while though.
And the airport's part in this is the fact that we cannot leave until we see one of these planes either land or take off. So we don't have much time or else we fail. Look right here. We still don't have much time. We gotta return the bike. All right, it's been fun.
How'd it go?